Welcome back. In this part of the session, we understand how to filter the dataset in PySpark. So first, we add the sales dataset. So we'll we'll check the df underscore sales. Let's display. So suppose we want to filter the data on the basis of date and country. So we need to write data frame underscore filter is equal to data frame dot filter. We'll write country is equal to Australia, and suppose we want to filter the basis of date, which is string, and we want data from 2015 01 01. This is our cutoff date, so date should be greater than equal to our cutoff date 01 15 01 01. No, run the cell executed successfully. Now we need to check the data frame. So see, we have all the data from 2015 onwards, and data is only from the country. So suppose in a scenario we need all the data except Canada. So we'll write in this fashion: country not equal to Canada. Run the cell executed successfully. So actually we have many data, so we need to actually check, because we are check we are checking all the countries. So many countries are there, so we need to check actually distinct countries. So we need to write first the data frame dot, then we need to write the column which need to select, which is country, because only on the basis country we need to get the distinct count. So we'll write distinct function, and then we write count. So we got all six country date, so data, which is, so actually if we want to showcase that data set, then we need to write dot show. And we can see we got all the data, countries data, except the country which is Canada. So suppose if we don't want this, because this is corrupt data in my data set, if we want to ignore this value, so let's check this. Ideally we should get data Canada here, and we should not have this data, which is incorrect data, which is date data coming in the country. So we need to filter it out. Suppose it's scenario in this. Let's run the data frame. Let's again run the cell. Yes, see, we got all the data, all the countries data, except the invalid data. So this way we can use filters to get our data sets in PySpark. So there are other ways also. We can use operators and all. So we'll discuss that also. So let's again display our sales data frame, and suppose we need to use in operator, and we need to get data only from Australia, comma, Canada. So in this way we'll write country in and the dataset in single quotes. We'll run the cell executed successfully. We'll copy the data frame, run the display. Now we should get data from the country Australia and Canada. So we have Australia. As we now again we need to check the distinct. So that is filter dot select the country dot distinct dot count. It should be 2. The value should what we should get should be 2, because that only in operator we have. Yeah, that is correct. So now if we want to put not in, so we can put in similar fashion. We need to just write not in and cell is successfully. Now again if we want to check, we'll get more countries. Yeah, so we got 5. So this way we can use in not in operator in order to filter the dataset. And suppose if we want to get the count, so just we need to write filter dot count, and that will give the all the count of the rows. So we have this amount of data in data underscore filter. So this way we can filter the data. This filter is static. In other session we'll discuss about dynamic filters. So this marks the end of this session. Thank you.